निमाणेकडेन FC गोवा टीमीन सतत 3 पराभवा उपरांत आयतारा आपले खातें उगडलें। आयतारा एथलेटिको दे कोलकाता हांच्या आड जाल्ल्या मॅचीत FC गोवाक 1-1 गूण मेळून मॅचीत बरोबरी जाली। आयतारा एथलेटिको दे कोलकाता आड जाल्ली मॅच निमण्या 6 मिनटांक बरीच रंगली। FC गोवाची फुडली मॅच 21 ऑक्टोबराक मुंबईत मुंबई सिटी FC पंगडा आड जातली। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
It's time to roll. The referee sends the signal. Goa in blue, they go with a long searching ball for Richarlison, the Brazilian, and this is headed on nicely. Now here is Sheehan, his control just letting him down, but cleaning up as coolly as Rafael Dumas, and now Hume is down. Let's have a look exactly what's going on here.
And Ilara on the set piece, he's been pretty good recently.
That's a deep ball, there's still men inside the volley, swing, and there is the goal! Well.
Sammy Doughty, what a finish.
How good was this?
What a lovely finish. It looked like a bit of a set piece that they'd practiced with somebody peeling off to the far post.
Can he thread it through the right? He goes inside. Joffrey square, it goes behind him. Lara again, it's not headed the right way. Pearson. And while they've got some attacking options like these Indians and South Americans, and Singh's shot takes a deflection, the keeper had to scramble and does well.
He's got to be in between the penalty spot and somewhere around there.
Was there a hand? He signalled a handball. The referee has pointed to the spot. Another controversial moment here. Joffrey steps up and slots it as sweet as ever. Jubilation on the bench of FC Goa. They're back in the contest. It's 1-1, 76 minutes in. We await the fourth official to make the signal, and Bordeca. Oh, that was brilliant.
But that was a lot closer than the goalkeeper thought originally. He didn't hit it very clean though.
Kavi Lara, the wall looks to have been creeping forward in my mind. Is it back? That doesn't look like 9.2 metres, it's into the wall.
No, look very close.
The game is over. Credit to